Today, I worked on a vehicle where the customer reported that the anti-lock brake system, ABS, light was on. To begin diagnosing the issue, I connected a scan tool and found the code C0035, which stands for Left Front Wheel Speed Sensor Circuit. This code usually points to a problem with the ABS wheel speed sensor or its associated components. First, I cleared the code using the scan tool and performed a road test to monitor live data from the ABS wheel speed sensors. While driving, I noticed that the signal from the left front ABS wheel speed sensor was erratic and had dropouts, confirming an issue with that sensor. Next, I raised the vehicle on a lift to inspect the left front ABS wheel speed sensor connector, terminals, and wiring harness. Everything looked fine, no signs of damage or corrosion, so I moved on to testing the sensor itself. With the key on, I back-probed the left front ABS wheel speed sensor and used a lab scope to monitor the sensor's signal while spinning the wheel. The lab scope revealed that the sensor was producing an erratic signal with dropouts. This indicated that the sensor wasn't functioning correctly. While spinning the wheel, I also noticed a distinct noise coming from the wheel bearing, which hinted at another issue. To confirm, I removed the left front wheel and used a dial indicator to measure the end play of the wheel hub. The maximum specification for end play is 0.005 inches, but the measurement exceeded this limit, further pointing to a faulty wheel hub assembly. Finally, I used a multimeter to check for the specified 12-volt supply at the ABS wheel speed sensor connector. The voltage was present, which ruled out any issues with the power supply. It's important to note that the ABS wheel speed sensor and the wheel bearing are integrated into the wheel hub assembly, so they must be replaced together as a single unit. Based on the results of these tests, I determined that the left front wheel hub assembly was faulty and needed replacement. I replaced the wheel hub assembly with a new one, cleared the fault codes, and performed another road test. The ABS system operated correctly, the ABS lights stayed off, and no fault codes returned. The vehicle was back to normal. This repair highlights the importance of thorough diagnostics when dealing with ABS issues. By using tools like a lab scope, multimeter, and dial indicator, I was able to pinpoint the exact problem and avoid unnecessary part replacements. If you're dealing with an ABS light and a code like C0035, following these steps can help you identify and resolve the issue efficiently.